In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell crypto on Binance. So make sure you have some crypto available in your account balance, either in funding or in spot. So when you want to sell your crypto, at the bottom menu here, just head over to market and search for the crypto you want to sell. So let's just say you want to sell BTC. Let's search for Bitcoin, and then you're going to choose this very first one here, which is a pair BTC/USDT. As you can see, you have the market graph here. You can just go ahead and view the market graph, the candle graph, and then you can click on sell. Here, you're just going to make sure that the pair you have up here is BTC/USDT. If not, click on the arrow down button and make sure to select it. Also, you can check down here under holdings in order to see your BTC balance and your USDT balance. So you can just enter the amount of BTC you're trying to sell right here. For example, let's just enter. So when you enter the amount of BTC you're trying to sell, you're going to see the corresponding amount in USDT, and then you can just go ahead and click on sell BTC, and there you're going to be able to sell your crypto.